Hello, I'm Brian with the Tennant Company, and in the next few minutes I'll give you a brief demonstration on the new T600 family of automatic scrubbers. The T600 and T600E represent Tennant's largest walk-behind automatic scrubbers and is available in 28-inch, 32-inch, and 36-inch dual-disc configurations. Also available are 28-inch and 32-inch cylindrical scrubbers, as well as a 28-inch orbital scrubber. The T600 family of machines offers many optional features that can help make the machine work smarter. Let's make sure the machine is ready to go. First, let's fill up the solution tank. As I've been told, this is helpful for effective cleaning. Uncap the fill port at the rear of the machine here and insert the hose into the retainer. The retainer will hold most hoses in place. Using quality Tennant True brushes or pads and squeegee blades in good condition helps your machine perform at its best. You will also want to make sure your batteries are charged. We have found through extensive testing and market research that scrubbers with dead batteries are a lot less effective than those with charged ones. So that's good to know. The charge level will be noted by the battery discharge indicator located here on the T600 Pro membrane panel and here on the LCD Pro panel, and finally here on the T600E panel. When all the lights are illuminated, the batteries are fully charged. Don't forget to maximize the runtime and life of the batteries. Make sure the batteries are completely charged before using the machine. With the solution tank filled and your brush or pad, squeegee, and battery inspections complete, it's time to get cleaning. Before we start, it's essential you understand how to operate the control panels. There are three options. First, I'll cover the membrane panel, which is on the T600E. On the T600E, there are two buttons for down pressure and water flow. This is the down pressure button, and this one is for water flow. In both cases, all you need to do is press the button until you have reached the desired setting. The settings are indicated by the lights below each button. Pressing this big green one-step button raises and lowers the scrub deck. The scrub deck is on the floor when the light in the corner of the button is on. The toggle on the right hand allows operators to move the machine in forward or reverse. When going in reverse, make sure to lift the squeegee from the floor and be prepared to walk backwards. The green dial on the left is the speed dial. All the way to the rabbit will increase your speed, and moving towards the turtle will decrease your speed. It's easy to remember because rabbits are typically faster than turtles when they aren't taking long breaks during foot races. The speed dial and forward and reverse toggle are the same on all machines. One option I want to discuss is Tennant's optional EC Water NanoClean. EC Water NanoClean is a detergent-free technology that takes plain tap water and applies an electric charge to create an effective cleaning agent that will revert back to water after it's recovered back into the tank. It also uses up to 70% less water, which both saves water as well as the time taken to go back to the closet to dump and refill the machine. Normally, EC Water NanoClean will automatically come on when the machine is turned on. It will be indicated by a blue light on the console. If you need to deactivate EC Water on a membrane machine, press this toggle button. This blue light goes out on the control panel showing the EC Water is off. Press the button again to turn EC Water NanoClean back on. Another new option on the T600 or T600E machine is our SmartFill battery watering option. Keeping batteries well maintained requires regular attention and is time-consuming. SmartFill, an automatic battery watering system, helps batteries perform at their best and last as long as possible. With SmartFill, operators do not need to open or directly water batteries. This is done automatically. However, periodically the SmartFill reservoir will need to be filled with distilled water. Operators will know it's time to do this when a cup icon appears on the machine console. Next is the Pro membrane console, which is standard on the T600. Similar to the membrane panel, there are two buttons for down pressure and water flow. A feature that is standard on the T600 is quiet mode. You may want to use this periodically when you're cleaning in sound-sensitive areas like healthcare facilities, around customers, or around students. Just press the quiet mode button until the green light is illuminated. You can press it again when you want to turn it off. Just like before, if EC Water NanoClean is on your machine, it will be noted by the blue light when you turn the machine on. As before, pressing this big green button raises and lowers the scrub deck. The scrub deck is on the floor when the light in the corner of the button is on. Up to 3 settings can be pre-configured to take the guesswork out of cleaning. Activate the presets by pressing 1 for zone 1 and 2 for zone 2, or both at the same time for the 3rd zone setting. You'll see the settings change as I press these buttons. The LCD Pro panel features many of the same controls, including the down pressure here, solution flow here, buttons for quiet mode, zone settings, this time there are 4 that can be named, and of course the big green button here to start scrubbing. Optional features such as EC Water NanoClean are also available. In addition, the LCD Pro panel features a variety of additional features that can help keep operators cleaning at their optimal efficiency. The Pro panel screen offers user logins, which can be used to customize zone settings, and setting lockouts by user, as well as a host of maintenance videos to help perform common maintenance. You can access them by touching the video help icon here in the lower left. You can select an area of the machine to view a video, or click here for a complete list. Scroll through the list and touch on your desired video. On the T600, if you have EC Water NanoClean, you can also order the optional Severe Environment Switch. The Severe Environment Switch is not a standalone feature and is available only when ordering EC Water NanoClean. If you're cleaning a small area with tough soils, activate the Severe Environment function for a 30-second dose of detergent. Simply press this button. The green light in the corner will blink slowly when dispensing and will blink rapidly during the last 5 seconds of the dose. To turn on a continuous flow of detergent, press and hold the Severe Environment button for 2 seconds until the green light turns solid. Press the Severe Environment button at any time to turn it off. The Severe Environment icon will blink blue when the Severe Environment tank is empty. Okay, enough talk. Let's get down to business. One thing that I always do before I start the machine is adjust the speed dial to its slowest level. I also make sure the direction toggle is properly adjusted. If you ever get confused on the machine startup process, just reference the decal right here on the machine. It will show you step by step the proper startup process. Turn the key to the on position and then lower the squeegee with your foot. Now, press the green button, wait for the head to lower to the floor, grab the bail and go. Adjust your console settings as necessary. The machine is equipped with a variable bail to help control the machine speed, especially in turns. If you'd like to go slower in a turn, for example, just loosen your grip on the bail. To resume normal speed, just engage the bail again. Although the machine has an incredible 32-gallon solution tank ensuring lots of scrubbing time, it's also agile enough to clean and maneuver around daily cleaning obstacles. When finished, conduct daily maintenance such as emptying the recovery tank, checking the brushes or pad drivers, wiping down the squeegee and scrub head, and make sure to plug it in and charge it. The Tennant T600 and T600E offer productivity, ease of use, and work hard day in and day out and year in and year out. To see how this machine can perform in your environment, contact your local Tennant representative or visit tennantco.com.